Hi everyone. Let's explore the details of user social sign-in experience with Logto. Registration through social sign-in. Your app can easily offer various social login options for users to choose from. Then the user sees a consent page from the social provider. Highlight for developers. Request only the necessary permissions during configuring the connection. This builds user trust and improves conversion rates. If this is the user's first time signing in, a new account will be created. They'll then be redirected to your app. Collect user information at registration. Logto allows you to collect essential user information during social sign-in to ensure complete user profiles. Currently, the sign-up identifier will be collected if not already provided by the social account. Here are case-by-case scenarios. 1. If you choose email as sign-up identifier, and the social provider offers a verified email, it will auto-populate the user profile, skipping the need for manual entry. Return to the Logto console to check the result. The email is automatically synced with this new account. To test further, delete this user account and register again after changing the configurations. Two, if the required information, username, isn't synced from social account, users will be prompted to set one after granting social login permissions. Continue with GitHub and authorize the connection. Then set a username when prompted. Return to the Logto console to check the result. Three, especially if the social login email matched an existing account, users will be asked to either link the accounts or create a new account using a different email. Choose to link an existing account. Return to the console and make sure that the old account is linked to the Google account. Subsequent social sign-in. For future social logins, if the app does not request additional permissions, the consent page will not appear again. I will explain more about switching social accounts. If there is only one social account online, most providers like GitHub and Google may automatically select this account. If the user wants to use a different one, they should sign out of the undesired account in their GitHub settings before signing in here. Alternatively, they can add multiple accounts online with the chosen provider, which may prompt a brief selection of the desired account. That's the social sign-in process. It's secure and convenient, allowing users to access your services quickly. Visit Logto.io to learn more.